today we're going to learn how to chain. So to start off, we have our slip knot, which we have threaded our hook into, and we're going to start by using the yarn that is still attached to the ball. So hold your yarn, and then we're going to yarn over the hook, twist your hook and slip it through the loop, and now you've chained one. So let's have a look at that again. So put your yarn over your hook, twist your hook, collect your yarn and thread it through that loop. And it can be a bit sticky or a bit stiff. Sometimes the looser the better, so that your tension is nice along the edge of your crocheted work. So let's have a look nice and close. Pull the yarn through, and now you've got another chain. And so each little loop is what we call a chain. And when you're counting your chains, you don't actually include the one that is on your hook. So let's have a look at how many we've got. So we're not going to include the one there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so we've got one more to go. 10. Perfect. Now you know how to chain.